What's up, traders? Julian here from jlewistrading.com, and I wanted to put a quick note out there for a few people that have been reaching out and asking me questions about win ratios, etc. And you know what? Just this is a broad-based piece that I want to put together for you. And the fact of the matter is that when you get into trading, there's an old saying that you're going to have to learn how to lose before you can learn how to win. And I think there's a lot of value in realizing and respecting that part of the process with trading is that you need to learn how to lose properly. When you hear the phrase, you need to learn how to lose, what I hear specifically and what I learned over the years is that, more often than not, you're, for whatever reason, you're going to be faced with these variables that are going to put you into a corner where you end up losing on a trade. And when you're a young trader, that happens often, but it's also very normal and it's also part of the process. And the key component here is that if you can learn how to lose properly by managing that risk and by cutting your losers quickly, you'll actually learn how to navigate your way through that. When we focus more on learning how to lose properly by managing risk and cutting those losers quickly, we then get to focus on the profit profile. And I've always said this, is that profits are the byproduct of proper risk management. Our job as traders is to not necessarily worry about how much money we can make, but really focus our energy on how much money we could potentially lose, and focus on mitigating that risk as much as possible. And that's what it means to learn how to lose before you can learn how to win. Because, if a stock just starts to rocket to the upside, I mean, you and I already know what to do. We're going to make money. We're going to take profits and we're going to make money and it's going to be fantastic. But it's on the losing days. We need to understand how to cut losers quickly, how to put on our stop losses before we get into a position, understanding key levels of support and resistance where we want to place those stops if the trades fail. That's learning how to lose before learning how to win, because the profits are there. We've gone through tons of videos. If you go to the J. Lewis Trading YouTube channel, I've got a host of videos. In the J. Lewis Trading private vault, I've actually got about 28 hours of videos. I think it's close to about 150 individual videos now on day trading. And you'll notice that in every single video, I talk about risk management first. Yes, I talk about where I'm getting in and where I'm getting out in profit, but I never glaze over how I'm managing risk. And that's what it means to learn how to lose before you learn how to win. And if you're a new trader and you're going through the process and you're finding yourself losing more often than winning, don't stress out about it. It's part of the process. There are traders that it'll take them 6 to 12 months before they get it, and boom, they're on the road to profitability. There are some traders that take 3 to 5 years, and then they're on their road to profitability. There are some traders that it takes them 5 to 10 years, and they're bleeding cash like crazy, but they stick with it, and they're learning how to lose before they can win. I mean, the Pitbull, Marty Schwartz, prime example. That guy was losing hand over fist for 5 consecutive years before he finally turned 5,000 into 100 grand in his first profitable year. Once he understood his strategy and he learned the process of learning how to lose first, then he really took off. And there are a number of traders that's just how it works. Remember, trading, whether you're day trading or swing trading, as I tell all my students, it's a personalized path that you go on. Every successful trader that you see out there, no matter how they're communicating their success to you, you have to understand that before you see those pictures and videos and seminars that they host and that we're all part of, the fact is that there are a number of hard years before all that success. And every single trader that's out there, whether they're retail guys like me, or they're institutional guys, or hedge fund guys, or Wall Street guys, or whatever, everybody had to, at one point, learn how to lose before learning how to win. and that is about learning how to manage risk. So if you're finding yourself in a situation where you're going through a bit of a losing streak, it's okay. Remember, go back, check your journals. That's what your journals are for. Cut your losers quickly when you start to see that a stock is failing and your position isn't right. Cut your losses, just get out. Remember, that's what it means to learn how to lose before learning how to win. One of the things that I cover in the day trading boot camp with my traders is that when we get into a position, that's one of the key aspects of the program is that we have to understand that there is going to be a fail area where we have to just get out of the stock. And it's very, very important for the guys to realize that that is the area that you have to take your risk off. That's cutting your losses quickly. It's also in that area that traders learn how to lose properly, and that they understand that if they put on 3 trades, for example, and these are arbitrary numbers, but you might get a stop hit at 5 cents. It's calculated risk. Your next stop, again, 5 cents. You might get hit. Now, you've just taken 2 out of your 3 trades, and you've lost 10 cents. But on that third trade, your trade might hit, and you might net 50 cents. Net, you're up 40 cents with a 33% success ratio. So if you learn how to manage that risk, cut your losers quickly, and you learn how to lose before you learn how to win, all of this stuff will come to you with time. And remember, this is an individual-based process. You can't rush it. So the old saying, you got to learn how to lose before you can learn how to win, it's true. You got to go through those growing pains. If you have questions, I'm here to help. I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. And, there were some important things that we said in this video set, so I'd really go back. But the things that I would really, really look into is understanding your sell plan, understanding that, understanding the 3 E's, the entries, the exit, and your escape or your stop, as I say. Cutting your losses quickly are super important, and learning how to lose. It's very, very humbling if you can learn how to lose properly, and that is, risk management. And from there, with time, you will just gain field experience, and then it's, to the top floor with your trading. And that's just how the process works. So stay focused, and if you really want to be a long-term day trader that fulfills all of your dreams using day trading as the tool to get you there, don't let go of that goal. Don't let go of that dream. Just stay focused and understand that there are a number of steps that you have to take before getting there. And, primary thing that you're going to want to do is get in front of a viable trading strategy. For example, at the Day Traders Bootcamp, we go through one extremely solid, proven way to approach day trading, and it's huge. It's great. It's fantastic. And if you want to learn more, info@jlewistrading.com. If you need more than just a day trader bootcamp, we have full-blown one-on-one mentoring. It's something that I've been doing for the last number of years. And again, there's a high success rate with the students that are dedicated and focused, like anything else. And the roadmap is put out in front of you guys, and it's just, this is what needs to get done. These are the steps that you need to learn, and this is how the markets work based on this specific strategy. And again, it's all there. If you have any questions, I'm at info@jlewistrading.com. I really thank you for watching this video series that I put together. And whether you're a new trader or an old trader or anything in between, if you have any questions, just want to connect, be part of the community, get involved with what we're doing, or just generally be on deck, info@jlewistrading.com. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm sure we'll see you in the next video lesson that we put out. Thanks.